Hi friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see three simple topics in the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Difference between rate and rate constant of a reaction. First is rate of a reaction. Rate of a reaction is nothing but the speed in which the reactants are converted into products. It is just the speed in which the reactants are in how much speed the reaction is converted into products. That is explained by the rate of a reaction. Rate constant of a reaction is nothing but it is the proportionality constant. We normally denote it as alpha. This symbol we denote the proportionality constant, or we denote it as small k. Then rate of a reaction is a measure of decrease in concentration of reactants, or in the either way it is the measure of increase in concentration of products. Then rate constant of a reaction will be equal to rate of a reaction when concentration of reactant is unity, which means when the concentration of reactants becomes 1, then rate constant of a reaction will be equal to rate of a reaction. Understood? Next point is rate of a reaction depends on initial concentration of reactants, but rate constant of a reaction does not depends on the initial concentration of reactants. That's it. Next is difference between order and molecularity. Note one thing, always try to study the differences which are given in your textbook, because when you study these differences, you can easily score marks, because it has only two or three points to study. It will be not a very descriptive manner, so try to study simple things that are given in the table form. Okay, going to the topic, order of a reaction. Order of a reaction is the sum of powers of concentration terms involved in the reaction. To say it more elaborately, see, example is when through this example I will be trying to explain you what is the order of a reaction. First is NO, nitric oxide in the gaseous state reacts with oxygen in the gaseous state to form NO2. It is also in the gaseous state. NO2 is also in the gaseous state. Okay, balancing the equation. Here we have to put 2, and here we have to put 2. See, to find out the order of the reaction, we have to know NO power m, O2 power n. The sum of m plus n gives the order of a reaction. Understood? We have to find out what is m and what is n, and we have to add those m and n to find out the order of a reaction. If you want, I will be putting a brief video on how to find out the order of a reaction, so that you can understand it more elaborately. Next, second point is order of a reaction can be zero or fractional or integer, but molecularity of a reaction is always a whole number. It can be only 0, 1, 2, 3 or etc. Any whole number. Order of a reaction is given for the overall reaction. That is the third point. But molecularity of a reaction is given for each elementary step of mechanism. That is, it is given for each and every elementary step of mechanism. Elementary step is the one step involved in a series of reaction. Understood? That's it, this question. Next question is, what are the factors that affects the reaction rate? The factors affecting the reaction rate are nature and state of reactant, concentration, surface area, temperature of the reaction, and presence of catalyst. These are the things that affects the reaction rate. These 5 points are the topics of a elaborate question. I will be try to make a separate video on briefly elaborating these 5 topics. Thanks for watching this channel. Hope this video will be useful. Like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.